How to change the Roku account linked to your Roku TV or device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to change the Roku account linked to your Roku TV or device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to simply factory reset. On your Roku TV or device, go to Settings, click System, then go to Advanced System Settings and select Factory Reset to remove all settings including the linked Roku account. After resetting, follow the setup process to link a new Roku account. Option 2, you can unlink and link a new account. For that, start by opening a web browser and click on roku.com by searching on your web address bar. Press Enter on your keyboard. Once you reach an official interface of Roku, make sure you sign into your account. Now head towards the head-like icon at top right corner of your screen and click on My Account from this drop-down menu. After that, you need to scroll down to the bottom of your screen. And then you will see the section of Streaming devices. Currently, there is none, but if you have any, you simply need to click on link and confirm the action and note the subscriptions remain active unless cancelled under manage your subscriptions. Once only, you can easily return to your Roku TV and in the menu go to streaming channels and get started. Sign in with the new Roku account by entering the email and following the activation steps sent to your inbox. Complete the activation process and your TV will be linked to the new account. And with that, you will successfully change the Roku account linked to your Roku TV or device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.